Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, I said for Allah, this activity is ready, and so it's become to paper. Now I would like to presentation my paper with title Study of Making Potato Chips for Local Kalosi Variety with Pre-Treatments. My name is Wanti Dewayani, and the paper is collaborated with my friends. Her name is Wiswita Samsuri and Erina Septianti. I am a researcher in Assessment Agricultural Technology Institute in South Sulawesi, or Balai Pengkajian Teknologi Pertanian Sulawesi Selatan. Outline this paper, the first is introduction, next material and method, result and discussion, include effect of type of immersion of yield of potato chips, effect of type of immersion on proximate level of potato chips, effect of type of immersion on organoleptic characteristic of potato chip. The final is conclusion. Introduction. Potato is one of the commodities that have the potential to be developed and a source of carbohydrates in order to support food diversification programs, increase farmers' income, non-oil export commodities, and purchase industrial raw materials. Although potato is not a staple food for the people of Indonesia, but consumers tend to increase from year to year because the number of products is increasing. The standard of living of the community increase. One of the potato producing regions in South Sulawesi is Enrekan Regency. This area has been designated as a producer of Kalosi potatoes, which is a local variety of Enrekan. Since decades ago, its taste has been recognized. It is now a matter of pride from the Enrekan farmers because has been established as a patent from Bumi Besar Bengkulu. The potato commodity produced by Enrekan Regency is one of the best potato commodities in the country. So far, Kalosi potatoes are processed into traditional cakes and become special cakes at official events in the South Sulawesi region. In this activity, we will try to produce the local potato varieties of Kalosi into snacks that are preferred by Indonesian people, namely potato chips. The main problems commonly encountered in processed potatoes such as chips are a less crisp texture and greasy appearance and a less attractive color. So besides not meeting Indonesian national standard, and consumers also don't like it. One method that is used to get potato chips with a crispy texture and a good color is by soaking or immersion with some reagent safety. From several studies mentioned that by soaking with calcium dichloride, calcium dihydroxide and sodium metabisulfite can make crisp with a crispy texture and is prepared by consumers. The aim of this study is to look at the effect of soaking with several types on solvent that can produce local varieties of Kalosi potatoes chips that are prepared and permitted the requirements of the Indonesian national standard. Now, the second phase, material and method. This activity was carried out from January to December 2017. Potato of Kalosi variety was taken from farmers in Anggaraja district and Rekan Regency and processed in the post-harvest laboratory of Assessment Institute Agricultural Technology, South Sulawesi. After that analysis at the laboratory of the Faculty of Pharmacy, University of Hasanuddin. The material used in this study were local potato variety of Kalosi, lime or calcium dihydroxide, sodium metabisulfite, calcium dichloride, water, cooking oil, distilled water, chemical analyzers, packaging, and tissue. The equipment used consists of knives, slicer, deep fryer, chemical analysis equipment, digital scales, filters, plastic trays, aluminum foil, packaging, basin, spoon, label paper, and sealer. Work procedure, work procedure to make potato chips. The first, selected good potato tubers, not rotten, not deformed, wash it clean of dirt, attach it, then peel it potato tubers that have been peeled, weighed, and cut using a slicer. The second, potato chips were immediately soaked according to the treatment that were tried, such as soak it in a solution of lime, 0.5% and 1% sodium metabisulfite, 0.5% and 0.5% and 1%, and soaking with calcium dichloride, 0.5% and 1%, and soak it in water as control. That the immersion process is carried out for 30 minutes. The third, the slicer potato with blanching in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes to activate the enzyme. The fourth, after the potato paste is removed and drained, then fry it at 180 degrees for during 15 minutes, depending on the amount to be fried. The fifth, fried products are drained, cooled, and packaged. Potato chips are ready to be analyzed for chemical and organoleptic quality. The parameters observed include yield or shrinkage, chemical aspect, which include moisture, ash, fat, and crude fiber. Sensory aspect include texture, color, flavor, and lightness value. Performed by the scoring method, score 1 is very dislike, 2 dislike, and score 3 somewhat like, and 4 like, 5 very like, and 6 really very like. So the collect data is tabulated, analyzed with ANOVA, analysis variance, and if the real F test is forwarded to the DMRT, Duncan multiple range test. Now, the second yield or shrinkage of potato chip is percentage ratio between the weight the potato chips that have been fried already for consumption with the weight of potatoes that have not been peeled. The experimental design used in the study was a completely randomized design and 3 replication with immersion treatments as follows: water or control, lime, 0.5%, lime 1%, sodium metabisulfite 0.5%, sodium metabisulfite 1%, calcium dichloride 0.5%, and calcium dichloride 1%. Now I explaining a result. Yeah. Result, the first effect of type of immersion on yield or shrinkage on potato chips. Yeah. This table showed that the highest yield is control and not significant with sodium metabisulfite 1%. The highest yield of potato chip was the immersion treatment with control, 25.39%, and was not different from the soaking treatment with sodium metabisulfite, 23.53. This was presumable due to the absence of starch damage in the immersion treatment with treatment of water and sodium metabisulfite. Starch differences can cause different yield. A yield is a comparison between the product produced and the amount of material used. Many factors can determine the amount of yield produced, including starch content of potato raw materials and weight loss during process and frying. Now, result of effect of type immersion approximate level of potato chips. This table to make sure moisture or water content, the highest water content or moisture is treatment calcium dihydroxide or lime 1%. Jadi treatment immersion lime 1% and control moisture is 3%, and the others below 3%. And the highest ash is lime or calcium dihydroxide 1%. And starch, the highest is calcium hydroxide 1% also. Fat, the high fat is sodium metabisulfite, 0.5% to 1%. And fiber, the high fiber is the lime or calcium dihydroxide 1%. And next the highest fiber is calcium dichloride 1%, such as 3.71%. Discussion moisture and ash. The highest moisture was potato chips soaked with 1% calcium dihydroxide or lime, and immersion in control 3%. Treatment that permit to SNI or Standard National of Indonesia is maximum water content of 3%. So that treatment was permit, such as immersion in calcium chloride 0.5%, calcium dichloride 1%, sodium metabisulfite 0.5%, and sodium metabisulfite 1%. The high moisture is the immersion treatment of lime or calcium dihydroxide 1% is due to the high element of calcium in calcium dihydroxide 1%, which absorbs water when immersing. The result of analysis of variance of ash content showed that the immersion treatment before frying significantly affected the levels of potato chip ash. The average value of the ash of potato chips can be seen in table. Standard National of Indonesia regarding quality requirements of potato chips requires maximum ash content of potato chip is 3%. Based on these requirements, the potato chip produced in all treatment meet the quality requirements because the ash content is less than 3%. Now, this kind of stars, the highest level of stars was respectively immersion treatment in calcium dihydroxide 1% is the highest, as 34.72%. Follow calcium dichloride 1%. Next, calcium dichloride 0.5%. Next, calcium dihydroxide 0.5%. Next, sodium metabisulfite. So control, and finally sodium metabisulfite 1%. Stars difference can cause different yields. This is in accordance with the recommendation of Siswa Putranto and the working procedure of potato chips from ASDAR, that potato chips are thinly sliced potato tubers, which are then soaked in lime water, then dried and then fried until crispy. The texture of French fries is influenced by the content of star and non-star polysaccharide. Refer for Goloboska 2005. During the frying process, there is a big change in the potato tissue. Loss of water from potatoes during frying causes starch and non-starch level in potatoes to increase. Discussion for fat. The highest fat content is the immersion in 1% sodium metabisulfite as 15.82% and not significantly different from 0.5% sodium metabisulfite, such as 15.80%. While the lowest fat content is immersion 1% calcium dihydroxide, and significantly different from the others. Immersion in calcium dihydroxide will result in the formation of bond between calcium and pectin in potato tissue. This bond causes the potato to have a stronger tissue structure as a result of hard-formed texture. The hard texture can inhibit the process of evaporation of water during frying, so that the water that evaporates slightly and accelerates the formation of crust. Consequently, the amount of oil absorbed by the material is also low. Now discussion for fiber. The highest level of fiber were respectively immersion treatment with calcium dihydroxide 1%, next calcium dichloride 1%, sodium metabisulfite 1%, and sodium 0.5%, sodium metabisulfite 0.5%, control calcium dihydroxide 0.5%, and finally calcium dichloride 0.5%. So the highest level of fiber is calcium dihydroxide 1%. Cellulose is a type of dietary fiber and is present in vegetable as one of the main elements. High fiber content makes the combustion process slower. Fiber is potato tissue increase during heating due to loss of non-fiber substance. And Golobuska reports that a high percentage of cellulose in dry matter from French fries is possible due leaching from fraction that dissolved from the tissue during the frying process, and another reason is the formation of resistance stars. The fat contained in potato frying oil reduce the amount of star that can be digested in vitro, and this significantly increase resistant star and water-soluble dietary fiber, including cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin. Frying in oil can increase the content of non-star or fiber polysaccharides. Now, effect of type of immersion on organoleptic characteristic of potato chips. The result showed that the analysis statistical showed that not significant all of treatment not significant. The result of statistical test is this known that no immersion treatment does not significantly affect the all organoleptic. Characteristic standard national of Indonesia regarding quality requirements of potato chips requires that the color of potato chips is yellow to light brown evenly. Organoleptic test results showed that the color of potato chips were qualified according to the standard national of Indonesia. Color is related to the reducing sugar content of the raw materials, where the same type of potato is the local variety of Kalosi. During frying, the presence of high temperature stimulates the Maillard reaction, which is the reaction between reducing sugar and protein at high temperatures, which cause the brown color of fried products. Now, discussion organoleptic, flavor, and texture. Flavor or odor scores range from 4.85 to 5.15. And the highest score is the treatment of soaking with water control, but not significantly different for other treatments. According to Mende and Nuryadi, organoleptic test results showed that for the smell and almost all potato chip products showed a normal odors or typical of potato chips. Texture of potato chips ranks for 4.75 to 5.20. The highest texture score of chips from the sodium metabisulfite 1% soaking treatment with a score of 5.20 as very crispy, but not significantly different from other soaking treatments. The crispness or texture of potato chips is influenced by the chemical composition of the tubers. Crunchiness is caused by differences in starch and pectin content, which affect the texture. Increasing the harvest age will increase crispness. The longer the harvest time, the crispness increase. Now discussion of organoleptic overall acceptance. The overall acceptance score range from 4.80 to 5.25. The highest level of overall acceptance from the panelists was the treatment of soaking with control, but not significantly different from the other treatments. Now, conclusion. The first conclusion, the chemical characteristic was significantly different between all treatments, while the organoleptic characteristics were not significantly different from the quality of local Kalossi potato chips. The best treatment and meet the requirements set by the Standard National of Indonesia 1996 and high in fiber is potato chips soaked in 1% calcium dichloride solution with yield of 21.39%, moisture content of 1.61%, fiber 3.71%, fat 13.71%, starch 33.67%, ash 2.46%, and the level of lightness of color, aroma or flavor, texture, and overall acceptance are very light. This is a picture is the potato chips in treatment. Yeah. Potato chip from the left to right. Yeah. In the left, control 2 piece. Next, calcium dichloride 0.5%, and calcium dichloride 1%, in sodium metabisulfite 0.5% sodium metabisulfite, 1% lime or calcium dihydroxide, 0.5%, and finally lime or calcium dihydroxide, 1%. So I have finished, and I said thank you for all to my paper. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.